motherfucking thing for you, and I don't give a motherfucker about you. I ain't got a motherfucking thing for you, and I don't give a motherfucker about who. Chunking up the loot, yeah. Cause I'm straight about the loot, give a fuck about you, nigga, who is you? Cause I'm chunking up the loot, give a fuck about who. Ain't straight about the loot, nigga. I had to go get it myself. I couldn't get a nigga from my mama, and I couldn't get a nigga from my brother. Yeah. When I was young though, had a little year coming up. When my old dude got locked up, shit got fucked up. Yeah. So I was hustling, yeah I was dibbling, daddy, getting some money here and there, watching out for the plug. And I stood down, nigga, that's how I was, see me in that. I'm trying to grind, nigga, that's how it was, and that's how it is, and that's how it gon' stay. I ain't got nothing for you, let's shoot my people. I wanna get back to my city, yeah, to all my people. But let me get right, nigga, and let me keep it easy. I don't care about you, matter of fact, who is you? I'm straight up out the loop, standing 10 toes down, nigga, knocking 10 holes down the loop, the best spot that I could be, the only place that niggas like me don't breathe, the loop, give a fuck about you, cause I'm the truth, give a fuck about who.
Where was you when I was down? That ain't 100, nigga, you ain't my round. I know who my rounds be. Bad in that work ENT. It's 87. Don't make my niggas come through with that Mac 11. Fuck going to heaven, nigga. You'll go to hell. Cause you done crossed the line, nigga. You stupid as hell. Is you crazy, nigga, playing with my territory? You don't know my goons go hard, nigga, like Robert Horry. We a motherfucking grind, we a go get it. I'm shooting at these haters like free throws. If they with it, you better get with it and lay down to get down. Don't disrespect me, never been a fucking clown. It's Baytown.
Give a fuck about you, I'm from the loop. Matter of fact, nigga who? Nigga loop. All a nigga do is from the loop. Real nigga like me and you, we from the loop. Hey. I'm from the loop, St. Luke, who is you? Bad ass shit, man. It's just freestyle. We just giving y'all something to fuck with, yeah.